This is KBS World Radio coming from Seoul, the Republic of Korea.
여기는 대한민국 서울에서 보내드리는 KBS 월드 라디오입니다.
This is KBS World Radio coming from Seoul, the Republic of Korea.
여기는 대한민국 서울에서 보내드리는 KBS 월드 라디오입니다. This is KBS World Radio, the overseas service of the Korean Broadcasting System, coming to you from Seoul, the capital of the Republic of Korea. We now begin today's English broadcast on KBS World Radio.
From Seoul, Korea, KBS World Radio News Today starts right now. On today's broadcast, North Korea fires a ballistic missile from the Sunan area in Pyongyang in its 14th provocation this year. South Korea condemns the launch as a blatant violation of UN Security Council resolutions. Confirmation hearings continue for the incoming administration, with the defense minister nominee asked about North Korea's latest test firing and ruling party lawmakers walking out of a hearing for the health minister nominee. And the government will resume visa-free entry for international travelers in Jeju Island and Gangwon Province starting next month. This is KBS World Radio News. I'm Tom McCarthy. North Korea fired a ballistic missile from the Sunan area in Pyongyang toward the East Sea at 12:03 p.m. on Wednesday, according to the South Korea Joint Chiefs of Staff. The JCS said the missile flew 470 kilometers with a maximum altitude of 780 kilometers and a top speed of Mach 11. South Korean and U.S. intelligence authorities are reportedly analyzing further details of the launch. Soon after the launch, JCS Chairman General Won In-keul held talks via video link with General Paul Camara, head of the South Korea-U.S. Combined Forces Command. Military officials in Seoul said Pyongyang's continued ballistic missile launches pose a grave threat to peace and stability on the Korean Peninsula and around the world. They urged the regime to immediately stop the provocations, which are a blatant violation of UN Security Council resolutions. The latest launch comes 18 days after the North test fired 2 tactical guided weapons on April 16th. It also marks the regime's 14th show of force this year alone. The presidential transition team has vowed to bolster the nation's capacity to respond to North Korean threats. The team unveiled such a pledge on Tuesday as it announced key policy goals the incoming government will pursue related to national defense. The team said the Yoon Suk-yeol administration will set up a 3-pillar system to better respond to the North's nuclear and missile threats. The 3 pillars will focus on fortifying its kill chain system aimed at preemptively striking the North's nuclear weapons and missiles, the Korea Massive Punishment and Retaliation System, which seeks to eliminate the North's leadership in the event of contingency, and the Korean Air and Missile Defense System. The team also said it plans to create a strategic command center to effectively manage cyber warfare and space operations and promptly deploy a system for intercepting the North's long-range artillery. The team also unveiled plans to strengthen the South Korea-U.S. military alliance and expand a sense of cooperation among Seoul, Washington, and Tokyo. Defense Minister